Talk to any woman, a girl of any age, and she's likely to tell you there's something about her appearance she really doesn't like. That, to me, is most often a direct effect of our beauty culture. So I think it's important for us to recognize that the whole motivation of the beauty industry is to make us feel not good enough, because that's what gets us to buy products. Our conformity is largely unconscious. That is, I don't know that we are born knowing why we want to buy mascara, why we want to wear foundation. In order to make a change, we need to be mindful first of what the issue is. And without knowing about that, it's impossible to be mindful. And I think consciousness changes everything. Once you're aware that your motivation to adjust your appearance has something to do with other people's motivations rather than a motivation that's coming from yourself, I think that changes everything about the way you might think about yourself in relation to the beauty culture. When we can unlearn to see our faces and our bodies without objectification, that all falls away.